Hi everyone, welcome back to my Rover restoration. Sorry it's been a little while since I've posted anything, but basically since I was last scraping the underseal off, I haven't been doing anything. Mainly because of that thing there. You know, it's needed a bit of work doing on it and I haven't had no option but to get on with it. So, to cut a long story short, the alternator was making a noise. I put a second-hand alternator on it. It appeared to be charging because all the light went out, but it wasn't. And then it broke down and, well, yeah, to cut a long story short, it's ended up with a brand new alternator on it now, and it does appear to be alright. But yeah, so I haven't been working on the Rover, but now we are. Now we're going to get back on it. Even though I've still got a bit more to do on the Fiesta because I've got to do a bit of painting on it, but it's decided to rain today, so we won't be doing that. So today we're going to be continuing, and it's too dark so you can't even see, but we're going to get all of this lovely underseal off. There's only this bit here now and a bit on the cross member down here, and that's about it. Once I get this off, then that is the last of it, thank God. But yeah, it's not the nicest job to be doing or the most interesting to make videos about, but yeah, I'm gonna get on and do that, and we'll see where we get. Right, so as if by magic, it all fell off of there. It is now down there, look. God, that was hard work, that was. I didn't film it all because I couldn't bothered, really, but that is pretty much all the scraping done. Still got a tiny little bit to do around there, but that should only take about 10 minutes. Oh, and I've got a little bit out there as well, actually. Down there. But yeah, we're getting there. Right, so not much to show this week, but well, not when I was doing it anyway, but they've got all of the underseal off, got it all red oxided up. Also got some seam sealer up on it. It's all red oxided all underneath, ready for its proper coating of that Raptor again. But obviously that's not going to be this week, possibly not next week. But yeah, so sorry it's only a short one again, but that's just a bit of an update, and we'll get back on it properly soon. Alright, catch you later, bye.